Hey guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily set up Kali Linux into an SD card. Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily download the latest version of Kali Linux. To begin, open your browser and type kali.org and hit enter. At this stage, you will see the download option. As you can see here, just click on download. And here we will have several options. You will have the installer image or the ISO file. You will have an option for virtual machines, and you will have for ARM, for containers, for live boot, WSL, etc. So for now, we're just going to scroll up and select installer image. And here you will have two options. If you are planning to run your Kali Linux in an Apple computer, you want to click on Apple Silicon ARM64, or if you are using normal computers like other brands, 86 architecture or 64, you want to select one of these. Personally, I use this installer. It's 4.4 giga, and later on I will be able to update and everything. The other options, net installer, etc., it contains packages. However, some are light and some are heavy, going up to 12 giga. So we'll just click on this one. Once we've clicked, the download will begin, and it will take some time to have the full ISO image ready. I will just pause the video here and we'll continue once the download is over. As you can see, the download is over, and here I have my Kali Linux, and it's 4 giga something, and it's ready to be used, and it's been downloaded as an ISO file. To begin, we are going to download Rufus software. So in the browser, type Rufus and hit enter. At this stage, click directly on Off Downloads under the Rufus website. Wait few seconds and it will be redirected to this page. Here, there will be several options. However, we are going to select the one compatible with Windows, the one which we can run on Windows. It ends with this extension, exe. For Linux or for Mac, you will have different options. So we're just going to select the first one. If you are not able to reach here, just go back to the website, type on the title or the name of the website, scroll down, and here you will be able to download. So we are going to download the standard version. You can also get the portable version. It goes back to the same. Once the download is completed, just click on it and double click on Rufus. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this application to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and click yes. The software will take a few seconds and then it should appear on the desktop. We're just waiting. Yeah, here it comes. It might take a few seconds. And here we have Rufus ready to be used. So to begin with Kali Linux, first of all, you want to open Rufus. Double click on it to open for you. Wait for a few seconds and the icon will appear. Next step, you want to locate your storage device. If it's an SD card or a USB flash drive, the process is the same. Let's name it Kali. Make sure that it's empty. It should contain no files as it will be formatted during the process. Next step, go back to Rufus, select your storage device, make sure that boot selection disk or ISO image, click on select, locate your Kali Linux ISO file, double click on it, and wait for a few seconds. Here it has automatically identified and renamed the storage device. Leave everything by default and click Start. Make sure to select Write in ISO image mode and click OK. The image use grab, you can go ahead and click Yes. Click again Yes, and click OK. The process will start. You will need to be patient up to 5 or 6 minutes. Since there is nothing to be clicked, nothing to be done so far, I will just pause this video and I will show you what to do next when the process is done. Now that the process is over, after 8 minutes, It will be more or less the time for you based on how fast is your computer. You can go ahead and click close, open your PC shortcut, locate the Kali Linux storage device, click on it, and check that you have all these files. And now it's ready to be used. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.